Hello everyone, today we have a 2004 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. It's that Duramax diesel that you're hearing now. These things run and run and run. You do have tow hooks up front, aftermarket wheels, and my goodness, I absolutely love these wheels. This has the SLE package, tow package, and it is set up for a fifth wheel. It's December in Utah. This thing is going to sell fast. Okay. This armrest will fold up so that it will seat 6. There's your 2- and 4-wheel drive shifter, headlights. So you have 228,937 miles on this vehicle, which it's a diesel. So it'll run and run. Let's see, coming down here, here's all your trailer controls. So, it's a local trade-in. Great little truck. Trucks don't last long here on the lot, especially in snowy months. So for more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.